2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're using this braking oil here. Pretty happy with this. It was very cheap, that's why I'm happy. First fluid, first quart, my friend. Make sure nothing is shrinky dinky underneath, my friend. Oh, dude, it's pissing oil. No.
Later that same evening.
Yeah. But the thing is, if you want it, we're just struggling with the fuel return system. Oh, it's so different than coupes on a sedan.
That's okay though, we can.
Damn, boy. This fuel line. Shit.
Okay, it is the next day. We ran into a really weird issue. When we were topping up all the fluids in the car, our rad ended up pissing out coolant. And we were doing the vacuum bleed setup, so it wasn't holding pressure in the cooling system at all. So we were assuming that there was some sort of a crack or a leak somewhere. And we ended up finding out that when we were pouring coolant in our rad, there was a major fracture and it was just gushing coolant out from the bottom of the rad. We are kind of in a hurry to get a rad as soon as possible, and the guys at iRace over in Brockville ended up helping us out big time. They had a rad in stock and I'm like, dude, I need it right now. And he's like, come pick it up. I was like, all right. So now we're going for a quick road trip and we'll be coming back with a new rad. And I think that will be the biggest blessing when it comes to working on this project, because we had to wait on parts before. This just happened to be like one of the best things to happen because our tune's gonna be coming up in like 4 or 5 days. So
We're taking the lift kit out.
Lift kit, huh? Holy fuck. Everything's on. Holy shit. I haven't seen these things fucking lit up in so long. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. She's technically done. Oh. Oh. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Unplug the fuel pump and fucking give it a turn. Let's see where all the. Let's see if the fucking pulley hits the thing.
she's fucking done. That's incredible. Yep. She's raining. So we're not gonna do the street tune today. Oh, great. However, we're still able to start the car up and get the car running, which is still pretty exciting.
2 hours later.
All right, ready? Okay. I'm so freaking nervous. Oh, my Bluetooth works. He's underneath the car. I'm not too sure what the hell's going on. We okay? Woo! Woo! That's a good thing. Nothing's hitting against it? Oh wow, it blows great. It still works. It's good. Yeah, it's good. All right, thanks, Donald. All right, he's ready. Dead battery. Come on, Jesus. Okay. Sounds good. It's not even like registering any.
Yeah.
I don't know what the hell it could be. But we're gonna try to test out a different set of spark plugs that I got from the dealer just to see if they actually work. I'm just in my car right now. I'm grabbing them. 2, 4, 6. Shit. Oh, I just want to get this car fucking run. I just want to hear it, dog. Oh, so stressful. The tuner fucking dipped. It was almost like I was wasting his time. I feel bad. But shit happens. So let's see what the fuck this will do. Yeah, we got iridiums. They're 2 steps colder, proper for force induction. However, I'm not sure.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Oh.
It was fuel. I just tapped the gas a little bit.
Did you see the smoke?
Hey, where's the smoke? I don't know. Yeah, it's probably from the fucking. Like did
Let's see if this fucking thing goes.
starts up by itself. Whoa. It's fuel.
There's fuel?
No, it smells like fucking fuel. It's probably coming from the fucking. Can you see where it's coming from?
It's on the passenger side.
Until you started, it's very faint. But I think it's just fucking fuel burning off inside the cylinder. It's definitely fuel. I think the horse fucking just flooded, and that's probably what the issue was. Where's that sound? The bell.
my God. Wow. Damn, dog. How are we doing here? Just a little bit of smoky. Okay, Eddie's telling me that you can feel the fucking mounts really big time. Holy shit! Oh man, you can really feel it.
Okay, let's go.
Downtown?
Get in.
Alright, put it in the back seat. Going downtown. Incredible. Wow. Dude, we fucking did it, dude. Fucking give me props, baby.
Let's get the fucker off.
Alright, let's get it fucking out. More power, baby. Is that from anything? Oh, right here. What's that? Oh, is that from the copper stuff you sprayed?
That's pretty big for having the scans in it. Yeah, they're clicking.
Oh yeah, fans are working. You can hear the fucking clutch and flywheel, that's for sure.
Sounds so
Dude, that sounds insane. Woo!
I almost thought I was retarded and had to take the fucking granny back in. Can you imagine? Alright, let's get this fucker down.
All right.